Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some trendy daily wear sarees collections only for you. So let me display all of your handloom one. And this one, a cotton kota base with beautiful hand printed one, very smart looks. This one is full base part all over phrase printed one. This one is full base kota base cotton fabric with beautiful hand printed. This portion is border portions all over printed one cotton fabric kota base, very bright fresh looks. This one is full base part all over printed, and this one pallu portions, beautiful nice printed pallu and all over same printed. And this one running blouse piece, plain base with printed. This one is running blouse piece, and it suggests this cotton fabric fully weaving multi color threaded weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and fresh looks. And next one also a nice color combination, same material cotton base kota checks with beautiful hand printed one, very smart looks all over bright printed one. This one is full base part, nice printed contrast color printed border. This one is border portions yellow shaded with highlighted printed border and all over printed nice looks. This one is base part, and this one pallu portions, beautiful nice highlighted printed pallu. This one is pallu portions fully hand printed, and this one is running blouse piece, and I suggest this cotton fabric nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And next one also nice color combination, same material cotton handloom cotton kota with all over bright fresh printed one. This one full base part all over bright printed nice color combinations. This one is border portions, beautiful highlighted printed one all over base kota base cotton fabric bright looks all over same printed one. This one is all over base same printed, and this one pallu portions highlighted hand printed design pallu. This one is pallu portions, very smart and bright looks, and this one is running blouse piece, and this cotton fabric fully weaving stripes work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your fresh looks. Very beautiful one face looks all over bright face printed one hand printed cotton kota checks design and beautiful highlighted printed one. This one is pallu portions, nice printed pallu. This one is pallu portions fully hand printed one and kota checks cotton fabric all over face bright printed one. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and we suggest this cotton fabric beautiful highlighted printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one also nice color combinations, Dupian silk cotton material with Banarasi border and very soft one, lightweight bright fresh looks. And this one is full base part all over base part is plain with fully Banarasi work highlighted border, very elegant look, soft one summer wear Dupian silk cotton material. And this one is pallu portions highlighted Banarasi design work pallu. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part lightweight comfortable, and I suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Very beautiful one khadi base all over embroidery buta design and border portions highlighted fine embroidery work. This one is full base part all over embroidery work khadi cotton base. This portion is border portions fine temple pattern embroidery design work border all over embroidery buta. And this one pallu portions colorful threaded embroidery design work pallu, and this one full base part, very nice fresh looks. This one is full base all over work, and I will suggest this silk material heavy embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also, nice color combination, soft one, summer wear, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab, soft one, same material to the have drape. And this one, full base part all over, bright colorful printed one, based for your daily wear. This one is pallu portions, beautiful highlighted printed pallu, silver zari border. And this one is full base part, very elegant and fresh look. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your face and bright looks. And next one also, same material cotton slab with kalamkari printed one, nice color combinations, contrast color, silver zari border all over, fresh printed one. This one is pallu portions, highlighted, nice printed pallu, contrast color with printed. And this one, full base part, very trendy looks all over, kalamkari printed, silver zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And actually suggest this silk material diagonally work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, nice color combination, same material, silver zari border, kalamkari printed one. This one is full base part, all over, fresh trendy printed kalamkari printed cotton slab material, silver zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, beautiful highlighted printed pallu, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Beautiful one, khadi cotton base, soft one, summer wear, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, ikat border design, checks with ikat border. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color pallu. And this one, full base part, soft one, summer wear. This one is full base part, cotton khadi cotton base, ikat contrast checks border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very soft one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also, nice color combination, semi organza base, soft one with beautiful sivori printed one, smart looks. This one is, upper base part to pallu and half portions, beautiful weaving design work. This one is full base part, semi organza base, soft one, easy drapeable with beautiful weaving work. This one is pallu end, and this one, full base part, nice sivori printed one. This one is all over base, sivori printed. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, and this one, fully brocade pattern work. And if we suggest this cotton fabric, fully multicolor weaving stripes, lines, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your face looks. And this one also, nice color combination, semi cotton base with highlighted stripes pattern border, and all over, beautiful checks pattern design, semi cotton base, silk weaving work. This one is border portions, golden stripes border, all over, fine stripes design, semi cotton base, soft one, lightweight, based for your daily wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part. And we suggest this silk material, heavy brocade Banarasi work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and beautiful looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, magenta pink shade, semi cotton base, smart weaving butta design, border lace, and all over butta work, trendy and smart looks. This one in full base part, semi cotton base, all over zari weaving butta. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted sequin stripes design work pallu. And this one, full base part, very smart and trendy looks, all over butta, semi cotton base, running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, tissue khadi base, bright color, half inch highlighted border, all over golden sign. This one, full base part, plain base khadi tissue material, handloom one, contrast border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted pallu and very soft one, summer wear, golden sign. And this is silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your bright looks. Nice color combinations, khadi cotton base all over, printed one base for your daily wear, office wear, smart looks. This one is full base part, khadi cotton base all over, bright printed one all over print. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color, stripes pattern, printed pallu. And this one full base part, very soft one, lightweight summer wear all over, fresh printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And take picture this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also khadi cotton base, soft one, polka design all over, multi-color polka temple pattern design work, border contrast color with temple pattern design border, and all over multi-color weaving polka design. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color, stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, soft summer wear. This one is contrast border, this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart summer looks. And this one ikat design, premium quality pure handloom ikat, and contrast color border, very smart and fresh looks. This one is full base part all over ikat design work, contrast border all over ikat design, very smart and bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color, stripes pattern pallu, and very soft one, premium quality khadi cotton. And actually this cotton fabric, fully printed, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and elegant looks. And this one also nice color combinations, full base part is plain base khadi cotton based for your office wear, very smart and fresh looks. This one is full base part all over, plain base and pallu in beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is full base, very soft one, summer wear, comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and fresh looks. And next one also nice color combinations, bright color, premium quality handloom cotton silk material, contrast color border all over, checks with jamdani buta design. And this one full base part all over, golden zari checks with jamdani buta, contrast color border, very fresh looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, contrast color with highlighted jamdani buta design pallu. And this one is full base, very elegant and fresh bright looks. And actually this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart bright looks. Nice color combination, soft one, khadi cotton base all over, contrast color border all over, fine stripes pattern with weaving work design, very smart trendy looks. And the soft one, cotton fabric. This one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color pallu all over, contrast color stripes pattern design. And this one full base part, very soft one, summer wear, contrast border all over, multi-color stripes. This one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part. And this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this for your elegant and fresh looks. And next one also nice color combinations, bright red shade all over, kota pattern stakes design, contrast color border with jamdani buta design, very fresh one, khadi cotton base, contrast border and all over base jamdani buta. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes with buta work pallu. And this one full base part, very soft one, summer wear all over, kota checks with buta work. This one is running blouse piece. And this cotton fabric, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your fresh and smart looks. base with beautiful checks and multicolor stripes border, very fresh and elegant looks. This one is full base part, all over checks pattern design with contrast color, multicolor stripes border, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu and very fresh looks, khadi cotton soft one, summer wear. And this one is full base part, all over checks, multicolor stripes, fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.risefashions.com. all the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have a beautiful saree, very nice looks, leheria pattern print, premium quality cotton slab material, silver saree border, all over leheria printed one, and this one is pallu portion, stripes pattern, nice printed pallu, and very soft one, summer wear, beautiful saree and designer blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.